Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious omelet at home. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, about 1 tablespoon of butter, and any fillings you love, like cheese or finely chopped vegetables. Make sure you have a good non-stick pan, a spatula, and a small bowl for whisking. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those eggs ready. Crack 2 or 3 eggs into your bowl and whisk them vigorously for about 30 seconds until they are light and frothy. This aeration helps create a fluffy omelet. Don't forget to season them with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper for flavor. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium-low heat, ensuring it coats the bottom evenly. With your pan ready, pour in the whisked eggs, tilting the pan to spread them evenly. Let the edges set for about 30 seconds. Then, use your spatula to gently push the cooked edges towards the center, allowing the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Repeat this a few times until the top is mostly set but still slightly moist. Now is the perfect time to add your favorite fillings to one half of the omelet. Almost done, gently fold the unfilled half of the omelet over your delicious fillings using your spatula. Let it cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, just long enough for the fillings to warm through and the cheese to melt. Finally, carefully slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate. Serve it immediately and enjoy your easy, homemade breakfast or brunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.